Alright, what's up guys? It's snowing! Let's have some fun. Let's see what this baby got. How do we get the fuck out of here though? Gonna have to go around. Wait, no, there's not a... we could go through here. I hope. There's not a curb. You never fucking know what's lying. I mean, stock ride height, bro. We good. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on. See if we get stuck. Oh. No, we're good. This is dope. So fun. I wish these poles weren't here just in case, but second gear. Yeah, second gear's not really gonna do us any good. Up down the first, yeah. This is fun. This is so much fun. Oh shit. Yo, having an all-wheel drive car with some really good snow tires. This guy's stuck. See. I can't see out my left window. I don't think he said it. I think that's where he just parked it. Yeah, this is fun. Alright, let's put the center diff to the rear and see what that does. I mean, There's gonna be a difference. Oh yeah. That there is. What if we put the center diff in just full lock? I legit cannot sleep. There's some cars going, but we're good. What are you waiting for? Are you stuck? Dude's stuck. You stuck? Come on. Fucker. God damn it. What's the deal? Why you only have one headlight on, you dickhead? Your car's not 100%, you shouldn't even be driving. Let me go to the bank though. Yo, this is fun. One thing I hate about these glasses don't have a wide enough angle, so I have to sit like super far back. You gotta like fucking sit like 20 feet back in the fucking seat, you know? It's just going backwards. Alright, let's just back it up, I'm in super deep snow. This asshole fucking plow truck. Alright. See, if I had like any other drivetrain, I'd be stuck. And these tires are good. So. I legit can't see though, because I'm just like kicking up snow everywhere. Oh, look at this poor guy trying to do his deliveries. This poor man, he's just trying to do his deliveries. But he has some weight to him, so I think. So he should be. Yeah, rear tire spinning, all good. Don't kick out backside. Alright. Yeah, there's a lot of snow. Like looking at these cars, holy shit. I can't even see, like, it's so windy. Blizzard! Yo, this thing is a fucking warrior in the fucking snow. Holy shit, man. Like, with good snow tires, it's hard to get this thing stuck. Like, no worries. No worry. I'll just hop over to the bank right quick. like, it's fucking worries, bro. No worries. Ooh, looking fly. Look at me. Looking good in the snow, huh? Alright, I'm gonna go to the bank. Holy moly, you guys seeing this? There's so much fucking snow. Oh my god. This is awesome. There's so much fucking snow here. And, you know, I don't know why these things, I got the pain in the ass. Like, no problem. This thing just goes over snow like it's fucking nobody's bitch. Probably under the... Oh man, this is crazy right here. It's awesome though, because this thing is a fucking monster. It like nothing can stop it, man. Look at this. It just doesn't give a fuck. It's like, I'm telling you, just invest in some snow tires. In conditions like this, snow tires, man, godly. I haven't had the AC on so long in this. Alright, see you guys later. This is what it'll be like driving on an ice planet that's deserted. There's nobody here. This is quite fun though, I must say. Having the road to yourself, slipping and sliding a little bit. But it's all good, it's all under control. It's not too bad. But there's nobody, man. Oh man, this is quite a storm. I am so glad I got my winter tires on this. If I still had my summer tires, forget about it, man. But this thing does not get stuck. Unless there's like a wall of snow, obviously. But other than that, it goes, doesn't matter. It goes, it pulls. It does not get stuck in anything. Starving though. Glasses, so it's basically like driving in sunglasses at night. So I mean, goddamn it, it's for you guys. You guys can see what the fuck is going on out here. First-hand experience, what it's like. I'm fucking sliding like a motherfucker right now, going 40. It's all good though. The Subaru will get you through everything. I'm actually glad I'm not lowered. But if I had coilovers, I would have like fucking raised that shit to like monster truck level beforehand, so